Welcome, welcome to RJ Skill, the versatile world. Dear students, in this lecture, I'll explain question related to organic chemistry for JEE Mains. So, question number first, just you can see here, the number of types of bond between two carbon atoms in calcium carbide. Here, calcium carbide, CaC2. So if I write Ca, so you know very well Ca2 plus, and here if I write C triple bond CH, so from here H in the form of H plus remove, so here develop negative charge on carbon atom. Also from here H plus and minus, so this one it is and form calcium carbide. You know very well, when single bond, it means sigma. Double bond 1 pi, another sigma. Triple bond pi sigma pi. So here in question given two carbon atom, types of bonds between two carbon atom. So here in between two carbon atom, just you can see pi sigma pi. So here which option is correct? 1 sigma and 2 pi. So option A is correct. Next question. In ethene, next question. In ethene, the p orbitals of pi bond are mutually dash and are to the plane of the molecules. Plane of the molecules. In ethene, so ethene CH2 double bond CH2. CH2 double bond CH2. So here you can see pi sigma. P orbital of pi bond are mutually. So pi bond form when p orbitals sideways overlap. Overlapping of sideways. Or you can say here collateral overlapping or sideways overlapping. So here due to sideways overlapping, pi bond form, and I also told you pi bond is a weak bond. So here in question, in ethene p orbital of pi bond are mutually dash and dash are to the plane of the molecule. So here p orbital, here I am talking about p orbital and pi bond form. So suppose here this one X, here P and P. So which one is correct option? Collateral overlapping, or we can say here parallel and perpendicular to next and perpendicular to the plane. Here perpendicular to the plane. So option A is correct. So next question. Question third. In third, match the column A with the correct type of hybridization of C1 and C3 in column B. C1 and C3, type of hybridization of C1 and C3. So here this one C1 and C3. Also here C1, C3, C1 and here C3. Also here you can see C1, C3. So hybridization, we are asking about hybridization. So hybridization, sp3 it means 4 sigma bond, sp2 3 sigma bond, sp 2 sigma bond. So here, and also you know very well, single bond sigma, double bond pi sigma, triple bond pi sigma pi. So for C1, so at first here I am talking about this one, just check it. CH3. For this one I can write like this, CHHH, CHH, here CH, here CH2, it means here C double bond H CH2, here C double bond CH2. For this one you can say sigma 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 sigma. For this one sp3. For this one here pi sigma, and also 2 hydrogen, so I can write like this, sigma sigma, so 3 sigma sp2. So for first you can say which one is correct, sp3 and sp2, sp3 and sp2. So for first you can say E. Now for second, so here I am writing, so first, so you can say first E, so this option eliminated and also this option eliminated. Now B and D option remaining. So next for second, here CH3, so here you can say sp3, and here pi sigma sigma sigma, here saying for carbon 3, not for 2. So here also this one sp3, so second sp3 and sp3, so which one is correct, D, sp3 and sp3. So second DD, so in both DD now need to check. So third also here A. So next need to check fourth. Why? Competition is all about time management. So if same, then check for fourth. Here sp and here sp2. So which one is fourth? sp and sp2. So here sp and sp2, fourth, here you can see C. So which one is correct? So this option is eliminated. Now correct option D, this one. Next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is given, number of sigma and pi bonds in pen2 in 4 ion. pen2 in 4 ion. So at first draw structure, pen2 in 4 ion. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. pen2 in 4 ion. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ion. So pen2 in 4 ion. So here number of sigma bonds and pi bonds in pen2 in 4 ion. So check it. Here hydrogen. Also here one hydrogen. Also here one hydrogen. Here one hydrogen. So how many sigma bond and pi bond? So sigma. Here also sigma. Here pi sigma. Also here sigma, pi sigma. So how many pi bonds? Here present pi bonds, just you can see. One pi bond here, one pi bond, 2, 3 pi bond. So check it. So 3 pi bond only in option C. So need to count another, not required. So directly you can say C. Next. Question number 5th. Question number 5th. Carbon atom shows. Here you can see carbon atom shows the properties of chirality due to its. Properties of chirality due to its. Here multiple bond bonding, non-metallic nature, tetrahedral nature, divalent nature. So you know very well about characteristics of carbon atom. First, you can say tetrahedral. Tetrahedral. Simply you can say four valencies. And chirality, all valencies are different. All four valencies, you can say all four valencies are different. Then chirality, just you can see. If carbon, here suppose, here I am writing COOH, OH, H, CH3. So this carbon is chiral carbon. Also you can say this carbon is chiral carbon. Chirality, here you can say handness. So four different valencies. And divalent nature, so carbon is not divalent in nature. So here, and multiple bonding, C double bond C, C triple bond C. So which one is correct? Simply here you can say which one? Tetrahedral nature, due to tetrahedral nature. Here due to tetrahedral nature. So for question number 5, B. Next, question number 6. Which of the following organic compound has same hybridization as its combustion product of CO2? For CO2, hybridization, C double bond O, double bond O. So here pi sigma, sp. And also you can write like this, H equals to 1/2 V plus M minus C plus C, where V is valence shell electron on central atom, M is number of monovalent atom, C charge on cation, and A charge on anion. If H equals to 2, then hybridization sp. When 3, then sp2. When 4, then sp3. 5, sp3d. 6, sp3d2. 7, sp3d3. So on the basis of this also you can check hybridization for CO2. So here just check it. H equals to 1/2 V plus M. V valence shell electron on central atom, and M number of monovalent atom. Monovalent atom having valency 1, like chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine, hydrogen. Monovalent. Divalent like oxygen. Trivalent like nitrogen. So we are talking about monovalent. So here at first write number of valence shell electron of carbon. So carbon valence shell electron 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2p2. Carbon atomic number 6. So electrons present in s and p orbital having highest principal quantum number is known as electron present in for p block. I am talking about 4p block. Number of electrons present in s and p orbital having highest principal quantum number. This is highest principal quantum number electron present in, so 4 electron. So I can write here 1/2 into 4 because number of monovalent atom is not present. So here 2. So H equals to 2, it means hybridization sp. Now we need to check for here which one is same hybridization as its combustion product of ethyl. So now check it. So option first, at first given, option A is given ethine. So ethine C triple bond CH H. So here you can say sigma pi sigma pi sigma. For this one sp, for this one also sp, because 2 sigma bond. So option A is correct. So no need to check another option. Simply we got answer. So next question number 7. Question number 7 I will talk in next lecture. Thank you so much for being with RJ Skill, the versatile